Hello everyone, ellarigu namaskara. Welcome to Masala Chai Media, Learn Kannada through English series. As I always say, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do watch that and come to this video because it is very easy to pick up this content if you know the previous content. In this particular video, we will be learning how to talk with cab drivers in Kannada. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please watch them first, then this video will be very easy for you. Without any delay, let's see how we can talk in Kannada with cab drivers. So when you book a cab, what will be our first thing? So we will just make a call to cab driver, right? So hello is, as you all know, it is Namaskara in Kannada. We say Namaskara sir, right? Then ha hedi, like we say yeah tell me, right? So ha hedi, hedi is tell me. You can just say hedi is enough in Kannada. Then you might ask where are you? Neevu yelli idira. Okay, so driver might reply you saying some location. Let's say I am near Tindi Mane sir. So that will be Nanu ತಿಂಡಿ ಮನೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ತಿಂಡಿ ಮನೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೊತ್ತು, ರೀಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ರೀಚ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, let's keep it simple. Then in Kannada it will be ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, then he might reply don't know sir, depends on traffic. Right, that's the most expected reply. Don't know, it depends on traffic, will be gottilla sir. Don't know is gottilla. Don't, gottu is I know. Okay, gottu is no. If you want to say I know, nanage gottu. If you say I don't know, nanage gottilla. So he will be saying don't know sir, depends on traffic. That will be gottilla. Traffic mele depend agutte. Okay, so you have learned a new verb now, that is gottu, that is no. Gottilla is don't know. Traffic mele depend agutte. It depends upon traffic. Upon will be mele. Traffic mele depend agutte. Then you will say okay sari sir. Okay is sari again. Okay sari sir, you will say. Then you might ask, you might say I will be waiting here, right? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್, ಮಾಡು ಈಸ್ ಡೂ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೀನಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಲ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. And idini will be along with I am waiting here, like it is simple present continuous tense. Then he will say okay sir, that is again sorry sir. Then when you want to ask what's your cab number, and he will say sir app, he will say everything is shown in app, right? Mostly, so he will say sir app alli torsutte. ತೋರಿಸು we have learnt, it is show. It will be shown in the app. App alli ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. If you want to ask auto driver that how much cost it will be, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is the simple word in Kannada. ಎಷ್ಟು is how much, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is will be. You don't really ask specify the money part here. You just ask how much it will be, because it is known that you are exchanging the amount and transport service. So you will just ask how much it will be. In Kannada it is ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು is how much, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is will be, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So after, I mean, this is the same one. If you want to ask after getting down and you want to ask how much it is, like how much it is, it will be eshtu aitu. Aitu is past again. Eshtagutte is you are asking it before you are getting into the auto. Est aitu will be when you get down from the auto. Okay. So after your discussion about amount, mostly once the cab arrives, you will be giving OTP. They will say, give me OTP or tell me the OTP. So that will be OTP Kodi. OTP Kodi is give. OTP Heli. Heli is tell. Right? We have learnt give is Kodu and Heli is tell. So OTP Kodi sir or OTP Heli sir. Then you will get okay tagolli, okay take, and then you will just tell your OTP. Then you might friendly start a conversation saying what is your name, you are from which place, it's been how long you are driving and all this. So this particular details we have covered in other video, but just quick recap. What is your name will be nimma hesarenu, nimma hesaru enu. Nimma uru yavudu, you are from which place. So then he might ask, sir, do you know Kannada? He might ask, nimage Kannada gotta. Gottu is no. So do you know Kannada is nimage Kannada gotta. Or barutta is also the right one. Ba is come, right? So nimage Kannada barutta or nimage Kannada gotta. So then you might say, swalpa swalpa, that is I know little bit, nanage swalpa swalpa gottu, but I am learning, because you have already started learning, so you want to say that I am learning. It will be nanu kalita idini. Kali is learn, nanu kalita idini. So you very proudly you will be saying nanage Kannada swalpa gottu, nanu kalita idini. I hope you liked this particular conversation with driver. In next video we will learn more about direction and more about how we can talk or how we can guide the driver on directions as well. Happy learning. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.